I state your name. Do solemnly swear that I will faithfully and conscientiously fulfill my duties as position nyo of Lake Honors Club, Cebu Chapter. Preserve and defend its vision, mission and values. Execute its charter and bylaws. And consecrate myself to the service of the club. So help me God. Back.
Congrats sa ato ang President Kevin, Vice Ayan,
Charming.
Treasurer / Prince Charming / Muse.
Ay, dapat ito siya promise niya. Diba?